Hello mga loves, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So this is video guys, I just want to show you all of you guys the good ambience of Alo Muscat Hotel. This is video guys. It was last October 4, 2024 that I was celebrated my birthday in Alo Muscat Hotel. So ayan guys, papasok na ako sa aming room 427. So ayan, look the room. It's so very nice, perfect. So ayan, mag-feeling yaman tayo. Only one day, feeling rich one day. So ayan, happy ako dyan guys. Charot. This is the Alo Muscat Hotel. So ayan guys, pag open ko ng door, may bubungad na cake. You know guys, the cake is so yummy. So ayan, kinakanta niya ako ng happy birthday. So after aking matanggap ng cake, syempre, selfie, picture muna. Ayan, happy birthday. Look guys, picture pa lang, masarap na. What if kung matikpan nyo pa yan? Ayan, inislice ko na ang aking cake. Ayan, so yummy. Chocolate with blueberry and strawberry fruits on the top. Yan. Alam niyo guys, hindi ako mahilig sa sweet, pero nung natikman ko siya guys, napakain ako. So yan guys, yan po ang toilet ng Alo Muscat Hotel. Very clean, very organized. So, after namin mag-check-in sa room namin, ayan, nag-change outfit na kami para pumunta sa... Hello guys, for today's video, we are here in Alo Muscat Hotel. We eat not like chips and it's not too much. Wow, nice. Because it's daily. I don't want to eat rice. Yan po yung restaurant sa baba. Colorful. Different colors. So yan guys, yung restaurant. So first floor. Look at this. It's very well designed. And after that, syempre, magrampa-rampa muna. Rampa-rampa. Sayang ang outfit. Yun, may pa-turning around pa siya. Yan, post din pag may time. Thank you to my outfit. Yan, curly hair ako dyan. Kunwari, Marimar. Charot. So, look guys. You look, it's artificial. But, you know guys, that's the real plants. Really, real. Very real plants. So, makikita nyo, different colors. And, nakaka-relax talaga yung place nila. Ayan, may red, may green. Real leaves yan guys. So makita mo naman dito guys yung kakaibang design. Ayan. And you know guys, after that, look, guess what is that? That's the chairs, the colorful chairs. Pag tinignan mo parang wala lang.
Pag tinignan mo parang
ano lang, art
diba?
siyang nakano sa wall.
Sabot mo nga.
So, ayan guys, after that,
Ari puti.
after namin kumain, ayun, after namin maglakad-lakad, pumunta kami sa ground floor or first floor na sa may entrance, may diskuan. Ayan, after whole night, good morning, Alok Muscat, Oman. Here we go. That's the ambience and that's the Alok Muscat, Oman. So, ayan, nasa ano kami taas. Makita mo yung mga ambience.
Andun yung bahay ni Shirley.
So, ayan,
Ah?
syempre, hindi mawawala yung swimming. Sayang naman ang outfit. Charot. Ayan, guys. Medyo okay pa dyan. Hindi masyadong mainit, hindi naman malamig. So, ayan. Magtampisaw lang tayo kasi sayang ng eyelashes. Charot. Ayan. Nag-swimming, solo flight ang swimming pool. That's the sunrise. Sunrise in the Isle of Muscat, Oman. Here we go. After nyan, guys,
Ayan guys.
I want to
Punta
show
kami
you
sa
the
jacuzzi.
female
Ito nga pa yung
changing room.
This
Ayan,
area.
pumunta kami sa jacuzzi.
Ganda, no?
Nakaka-relax guys. Hanap-hanapin yun. Perfect talaga siya. Ayan. Yan yung
Kung nilalamig ka, dito ka sa steam room.
tinatawag na steam
Ayan.
room. Ito naman, this part is jacuzzi.
So cute.
Yan. Kung gusto nyo guys ma-experience, tara na dito sa Isle of
In
Muscat,
fairness,
Oman.
maganda siya. So guys, ito yung namin sa jacuzzi sa Isle of Muscat. So mag-a-adjust ako ng water. I want cool. Okay. So, 40. Kasi medyo mainit-init siya. So para hindi ka maano, i-ano mo yung malamig siya guys. Hello guys, this is a locker. We are lucky 7. So kunin na natin yung bathrobe at bag. So i-close natin. So kung gusto mong lagyan ng password, you can put password. Here.
Ayan guys, it's breakfast buffet. So there is a bread, soup, main course, appetizer, dessert. Ayan. Mabubusog ka sa pagkain nila talaga. Pero pag natikman mo na parang yung mabilis kang mabusog. Pero pag wala, parang hinahanap-hanap mo. Charot. Ayan. Perfect. Organized. Very clean. Approachable. You know guys, hindi ko makalimutan yung ginawa sa akin ng staff dyan. Ginawan niya ako ng hot chocolate kasi hindi ako nagkakape. Nagpagawa ako twice kasi ang sarap talaga ng hot chocolate nila. So ayan guys, my rice, fried rice, ayan, yung main course.
Hi, Lemon.
Daming pagkain. Ayan, ito yung favorite ko, sambusa. Ayan, may pa-breakfast sila.
Thank you.
Kain lang, walang diet. Just a cheat day. So, yan yung birthday celebration ko dyan sa Isle of Muscat, Oman. So far, I really enjoyed and it was so memorable birthday in my life. Look, isang-isa. May cellphone. Ayan. Yan ang outfit ko.
welcome to Alok Muscat Hotel here in Gala. I really enjoyed by celebrating my birthday yesterday.